In today's video, we are going to see how we celebrated Varamahalakshmi Puja. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So basically on this festival day, we need to wake up at 4 o'clock. The main reason we need to wake up at 4 o'clock because this time is called as Brahma Muhurtam. It is very good if we do Kalsa Sthapana between 4 am to 5 pm. First, we need to take a plate and pour 3 times a handful of rice into it and start putting the swastik symbol. And we need to highlight the swastik symbol with kumkum and turmeric powder. If anyone wants to arrange or decorate the goddesses with sari, you can do it one day before, but Kalsa Sthapana should be done between 4 am to 5 am because it is called Brahma Muhurtam. So first, take the silver tumbler and start applying or put dots over the goddesses on the tumbler or on all 5 sides like this shown down. Then put turmeric into the tumbler as well as the kumkuma. Then add 1 rupee coin as well as a flower of your own choice. Last, don't forget to even add water. Next, take 5 betel leaf and arrange it in a very nice way as shown here. Then set the coconut on top of the betel leaf and start applying turmeric all over the coconut and put a nice tilakam on it using the kumkum powder. Then take a jacket piece, make it into a cone shape and fit it into the coconut. And you can decorate your kalsham using any kasus or any necklaces as your own wish. So over here we are giving harati to the goddesses. This harati should be given 5 times to her. First one we need to give below 6:30 and do not concentrate on giving more or doing more prasada at first. Prepare a Panchamrita and serve it to her and just do the first harati. Another one at the lunchtime and the third one you can give it 6 o'clock and the last one after the guest goes. Here's are the prasada we made: puliogare, panakam, vada, muddapappu, pongal, parmanam and panchamrutam. in the evening, we need to give tambulam for the guests who come to our house. First one, bangles, betel leaf, betel nut, fruit of your own choice. Here we are given apple, 2 flowers, a jacket piece, a kumkum powder as well as a turmeric powder packets, and soaked channa dal. So here were the few pictures that we have been taken. I hope everyone liked this video. If you do, so please hit the like button and the subscribe button as well too, and do not forget to share and comment down. And thank you for everyone for watching.